Misfits, I'm so excited to dive in deeper to our summer sales funnel series where we're talking all about how you can build a sales funnel from scratch in your course creation, membership, consulting, or group coaching business. Now, one of the things I absolutely love about sales funnels is that once you create them and once you get them going, you are able to generate new leads and sales in your business 24/7. It helps you to be able to grow and eventually scale your business in a way that you might not have ever thought was possible. So ultimately, lead magnets are a really great way to kind of kick off that sales funnel. So let's talk about making sure that you know how to make a great lead magnet that will get people to say, yes, I want to go ahead and put my information in and get started with this. All right, let's go ahead and dive right in. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where we help coaches, consultants, and course creators to build a freedom-bound business, sharing their expertise through courses, memberships, coaching programs, and digital products so that they can do more of what they love and ultimately be free in their business. So before we dive into today's topic, where we're talking all about creating a high-converting lead magnet to kind of kick off your funnel, I want you to check out the 5 funnels that course creators need to be able to take things to the next level in their business. I want you to be able to generate sales and leads in your business 24/7. I don't want you to just build a website. I don't want you to just have signs that say sign up for my email list. Instead, I want you to be strategic, and I want you to be able to make a game plan on how you're going to get your prospects to turn into actual leads and eventually turn into buyers. Let's talk all about lead magnets, because lead magnets are a great gateway for you to get people into your actual sales funnel. Now, one thing I have found is that whenever you're giving something of value away for free, people are quick to give you their name, their email, or whatever it is that you're collecting so that they can get that in return. Now, if you are providing an actual lead magnet that's of high value, it's going to convert and eventually allow people to go down your funnel and see maybe a tripwire, a order bump, an upsell, and so much more. But if your lead magnet is not on point, if you're looking to do specific types of funnels like slow funnels, or you're looking to do maybe just a lead magnet funnel, well, they're not going to give you their name and their email or whatever it is that you might be collecting in exchange for that. Instead, they look at it and then they just kind of exit out. So instead of having people exit out, we want people to say, absolutely, yes, I need this. And we want them to want to move forward with actually getting their hands on the freebie that you have created. Now, we're going to break down all the different types of lead magnets that are out there. And I'm also going to take you behind the scenes and show you some different ways that you can quickly create your lead magnet. I'm going to do this through one of my favorite programs that we have, which is Course Creator Pro. It's a platform where you can jump in and get all the things that you need to create worksheets, lead magnets, get everything you need for your course to design it, and so much more. You're able to do that easily in Canva, and we have already designed things for you. All you have to do is just maybe change the color to fit your brand and your business. So let's talk about the different types of lead magnets so that you can identify what type of lead magnet is going to work best for your customer. Now, you might see all these different lead magnets out into the world, but if you're not picking the one that's going to work best for your audience, well, then it doesn't matter because people are not going to opt in. So let's talk about these lead magnets. There are guides, there are video series, there's audio series, there's webinars, you can do checklists, you do tools and resources. There are so many different things that you can do. You can even do an ebook as a lead magnet. You can even do if not a video series, you can just do one masterclass where you are sharing but not necessarily pitching at the end of that masterclass. It's more of like a workshop style. So I want you to identify what is going to work best for your audience. Now, one thing that I have found is that since I sell things such as coaching programs and courses, I found that creating videos is a really great way for me to connect with my audience. Also, a lot of people might find us on YouTube or through social media through our videos. So creating a video format for my audience works really well. Now, I have a client who finds that quizzes work really great for her audience. They love to be able to answer quizzes and say, yes, no, I'm not here, and then see the results at the very end of that. Quizzes are also also really high performing. And if that is something that you're interested in doing, I highly recommend you do that. Now, some of the other things that I also use in my business are guides. I know that a lot of my clientele is trying to find a roadmap on how to get to where they need to go. They're in the online coaching or course creation or membership space, but some of the moving parts don't make sense. So they need that roadmap to help them get to the finish line of where they're looking to go. So I create these different types of guides or roadmaps through things like PDF. You can utilize Canva to help you to quickly create them, turn them into a PDF, and there you have it. So it's a really great opportunity for my clients who are visual to be able to see where it is that they're starting and where it is that they want to go, and having the steps and the tools to help them to get there and eventually take a step further into getting closer to that goal. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take you behind the scenes on how you can quickly create some of these different lead magnets. I'm gonna show you not only Canva and some of the templates that we use to quickly make our guides, our checklists, our resource lists, and things like that. I'm also gonna show you some other platforms that can help you to quickly make things for video, audio, and also be able to make quizzes and so much more. All right, so before we dive into that, one thing I want you to remember is if you are not familiar with what your audience wants, it's important for you to go and take a peek at someone who might be doing something similar to what you're doing. I want you to go check out what lead magnets are they offering. Now, you don't want to copy their lead magnets. Let me repeat, I am not going to have you go and copy their lead magnet. Instead, I want you to get some inspiration. Are they utilizing video? Are they utilizing guides? What are they utilizing? And is it working for them? I want you to even take a peek and jump in and see if you like what it is that they're presenting. And if that is something that is in alignment with your business, I want you to get some inspiration. Maybe you're gonna create a guide. Maybe you're gonna do a video series or a quiz or something along those lines. Again, do not copy. We're just looking at the format that they're utilizing so that you can get some inspiration on what's gonna work best for your audience. Okay, let's go ahead and just jump behind the scenes. Let's take a peek at some different resources to help you to be able to create your lead magnet in no time.
Okay, so I want to get started with showing you behind the scenes of Course Creator Pro. It's one of our online memberships to help course creators and coaches and anyone who has a membership to be able to build out their platforms or any of their materials that are needed within their memberships or their course portals to help them create this quickly without having that overwhelmed feeling of trying to become a designer. So we pre-make these designs for you, and all you have to do is plug in your brand colors and your text. So in our Course Creator Pro program, we do have some templates that can help you easily make a lead magnet if you're looking to make a guide or if you're looking to make a roadmap, things along those lines. And every month we provide a new set of templates that are related to the theme that we are focusing on for that month. So what I want to do is I want to just pop into one of our issues that we had in the past and just pull from a productivity planner or a ebook platform or template so that you can see how you can quickly make your lead magnet. Now, again, you might already have a platform or a company that you work with. Please feel free to use it. My goal is just to be able to show you how you can quickly make these lead magnets without spending so much time, such as weeks to months, creating those. So I'm going to go ahead and grab our Ultimate Productivity Planner. This is something that you might give away depending on your customers. Maybe you're looking to help them to get started with planning out their meals or planning out their workouts, things along those lines. I'm going to go ahead and download this here. It's going to automatically take me to Canva. I'm going to go ahead and hit use this template. And since this template is already created, the only thing that would need to take place here is just updating maybe the colors and the text. So what we would do is we would change the ultimate to whatever it might need to be, change productivity to whatever it might need to be. And we would also change the text accordingly. So let's go ahead and just change this color. I'm going to unlock this. We're going to now change it to be not green. Let's make it another color. Let's say gray. We're going to change this. We're going to unlock it. So again, our goal is to make this more on point with our brand. So whatever your brand colors are, I'm just grabbing one right now. Okay, so as you can see, we changed the colors. Originally it was pink. We changed it to where it's more gray teal. You can change just a lot of the things that we have within there, the different items. You can change them to your brand so that it fits on point. And so once you have your text in and you have your preferred information and the things that you want to include, all you would need to do is just download it by going to share. And then what you do is go down to where it says download, and then you would download it as a PDF. And there you go. Now let's take a peek at another tool that can also help you. This is called Growth Tools, and they have several different tools that will assist you to market and grow in your business. One of the platforms that I like from Growth Tools is called Attract. It is a platform that will allow you to quickly make a guide or a checklist, things along those lines, so that you could easily be able to get a lead magnet up in no time. So once you have created an account, as you can see here, they give you some lead magnets to choose from. You can choose from a checklist, a resource guide, a case study, or a how-to guide. So basically, Brian Harris, who's the creator of this company, he wanted to help individuals just like you and I to be able to grow our email list and eventually turn them from a lead to an actual customer. So once you have your account and you're rocking and rolling, you will see something along the lines of this. As you can see, there's resource guides, checklists, case studies, how-to guides. You can select which one you would like to move forward with. And once you hit use this template, then it will allow you to select which style you're looking to move forward with. And ultimately, you can just start plugging in your copy and updating the design to be more along the lines of what you're looking for. Now, please know you might have a little bit of limited ability to make changes to the design. You can change the text, you can change the color slightly, but you can't do much more than that. So please know that you are limited to your design options. However, if you're looking to get this up and going and you're not too concerned about design, this is a really great platform to help you do just that. Now, if you're looking to maybe make a video, Canva is a really great platform to also use. As I showed you from Course Creator Pro, you can use Canva and use some of the templates that they already have in existence. So for example, let's say you're looking to create a video of some sort. Maybe it's just a video that's going to have text on it, and that's going to be your lead magnet. You can start from either a blank slate or choose from some of the different templates that they have and ultimately create your video and present that to your audience as your lead magnet. Now, once you have that going and you've selected which one you would like to move forward with, please note that Canva has several different templates for you to work with. Ultimately, you'll select the template that works best and you can start designing and creating your video. Now, if you're looking to actually create some sort of video, maybe it's going to be a workshop where you're not going to necessarily have an audience there. It's going to just be a pre-recorded workshop or even a pre-recorded webinar. But you can also use a platform that I also love, which is called Be Live. So Be Live is used mainly for live streaming, and you can use it on YouTube, on Facebook, and things along those lines. But one recent feature that they have added that I absolutely love is that you can now do pre-recorded videos by recording offline. So basically, you can record your videos, share your screen, kind of toggle between being on screen and sharing your screen and whatnot. And then ultimately you can download that video and you can upload that and utilize that as a lead magnet. If you are looking to do a quiz, there are other platforms, but just to kind of get an idea, this is a platform that can help someone to get their quiz up and going in no time. What you're going to do is you're going to plug in your questions that you want your customers to answer. And then you'll also provide based off of their responses, you can provide some summaries of either the results and how they can take action to move forward next. So take a peek at this platform if you're using the platform Kajabi. And if you're not using Kajabi, check out some of the other different quiz platforms that are in existence. But quizzes are a really great way for you to grow your business and also showcase your information and take your customers to the next level by guiding them in the summary section after they take the quiz. Okay, so I hope you have fun creating your lead magnets and ultimately get started with the lead magnet that's going to make the most sense for you and your customers so that you are creating something that's fun, interactive, and something that you know will help take your customers from a lead to an actual buyer, or just help them to get to the next step in their journey so that they're overcoming the first hurdles that they are currently facing.
Okay, Corporate Misfits, so there you have it. This is how we are going to get started with creating your lead magnet. Now that you know exactly what lead magnet you are going to create and also the format and how you're going to go about that, it's time for you to take action. I want you to get started with creating your lead magnet in your business so that we can take things to the next level in our sales funnel. All right, let me know what type of lead magnet you're going to create in your business in the comment section below. And also, don't forget to download the 5 funnels that course creators and coaches need to help them to be able to grow and scale their business. You can find that below. All right, I'll see you soon in our summer sales funnel series. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.